Hi, I'm Joe from Hippo, and today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Sterling Automotive Mercedes-Benz A200 AMG line automatic. This vehicle has received a full exterior conversion from the team at Sterling Automotive, including the addition of a black pack Pan America front grille and apron, which blends beautifully into the added aero fittings on both front corners. Along the sides of the vehicle, Sterling has also added body-coloured side skirts, which helps amplify the hunkered down and sporty nature of the AMG line. The alloy wheels have also received special attention as part of Sterling's exterior conversion, being upgraded from the standard 18-inch silver rims to all black 19-inch twin-spoke alloys, really helping complete the stealth look. At the rear, significant aero changes have also been made, most notably the introduction of the body-coloured rear spoiler, which emphasises the unique nature of this vehicle, as well as the rear apron, which sits beautifully between the A200's twin exhausts. And for added customisation, the rear badging has also been removed, while the now black three-pointed star completes the Sterling black pack conversion. Inside, you're greeted by a pair of sports seats in the front, a flat-bottomed three-spoke multifunction sports steering wheel finished in Napa leather, and Mercedes' stunning all-digital display. This vehicle is available for just £349 a month with a £999 deposit. If you'd like to know more, you can either get in touch with us via social media, on our website hippoprestige.co.uk, or give us a call using the number below. However, if this isn't the right car for you, we have more than 300 Prestige vehicles in stock, all of which can be collected from our state-of-the-art showroom here in Lancashire or delivered directly to your door through contact-free delivery. Thank you for watching.